What's up guys, welcome back to the course. So in this video we're going to be talking about Shoutout. So Shoutout is basically like a platform connecting influencers, small to medium sized influencer or even big influencers on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube or other social media platforms with people who want to promote their products, right? In this case, me and you who are affiliate marketers and like to um, promote our products and get the traffic from their followers. So let's click on influencers, or maybe you can click on browse influencers here. It's just going to direct you to the same exact page. So just click either one of them and we'll see. Okay, so here is the list of influencers. Okay, for example, you just want to promote your products on Instagram, so just check out like all of them and then check on Instagram. Okay, so you're only filtering Instagram influencers here. Okay, cool. So let's see, we want to promote our ClickBank product that's related to fitness. So let's see the category section here. We're just gonna uncheck every single one of them and check on fitness. Okay, fitness niche, that's it. Then it will show you like all Instagram influencers related to fitness niche. Okay, so you see there are like plenty of them here. There are plenty of options to choose. um, However, you actually just want to get traffic from United States, because United States has a very high conversion rate, for example. Okay, so now you just filter the country, so just click on United States. You can even filter the age and gender too, but maybe this time we don't focus too much on age and gender, just filter the United States. So now it only shows you Instagram influencers on the United States related to fitness niche. Okay. Okay, so let's see. There are like three columns here. I'm sorry, four columns. The first column here is account. Okay, so this is the name of the account. Um, the second one here is the followers, the amount of followers they have. The third one is score. A score is the combinations of like engagement rate, the satisfactions of previous users and other things like that. And the third column is the price. Okay, so let's say you have a very limited budget and you don't want to spend a lot of money on this, because you knew that there is a high possibility that you're not gonna get any sales there. You just kind of like test it out and see if this strategy works. Okay, so you can actually sort by price. Okay, so you can sort by price like from the lowest to the highest. So we'll see. Let's sort by the price. Okay, actually it has been sorted by the price. So the cheapest one is $39 here with 36.3k. So if you're kind of curious like what this page looks like, just click on the name of the account. All right, sorry, it might take a while due to my internet connection is not really stable. And then they will like give you an examples of posts they've created on their Instagram page, the amounts of the followers they have, the success rate 100% is really high in my personal opinion. And this is are the pricing options. Okay, so you can only pay like $19 for 24 hours feed posts, $39 for permanent feed posts. It means that even after 24 hours they're not going to delete your post. Instagram reel only $15 and IG story $11. Okay. Yeah, so here's the descriptions. High quality audience mainly from the United States, so vast majority of the followers coming from the United States. Most of the audience is age 25 to 54. Okay, the page has an engaged audience and posts healthy and fitness regularly. So this particular page is suitable with products related to fitness niche, right? Yeah. And then if you're kind of curious about like what the previous buyers have to say, just read like the reviews here. Wow, fake handles, there was no post nor link when I checked. So it really seems like this is definitely not the right influencers that you want to work with due to these negative reviews. So yeah, just be careful again. I'm not saying like church full of like fake influencers. No, actually, majority of them are pretty good and high quality influencers. But do your own due diligence, do your own research. Make sure that you work with influencers that have like a legit Instagram page, right? Not fake followers. Make sure that you also go to Social Blade to check like their engagement rate. Making sure their engagement rate is um, not too weird. So when I say not too weird, it means like um, it's kind of suspicious to see, let's say, Instagram page with 10 millions of followers, but every single time they post something, they only gain like 20 comments and 30 likes. Just doesn't make any sense, right? So, yeah, make sure that you work with influencers with good quality, high quality Instagram page. And then if you're planning to purchase, then just click add to chart and then just make the payment. The downside of using this platform is the fact that they're going to charge you like $10. So instead of paying like $39, you're going to be paying $49 instead. So if you click on checkout here, you'll see like, hey, there's like service fee $10. So in total, you're going to need to pay like $49. Okay, so I'm just going to cancel it because I don't have any intention to pay it either. I don't have any intention to buy the shoutout post from this particular influencer, especially due to the bad reviews. Anyway, guys, I think that's it for Instagram influencer shoutout. I'll see you in the last video.